If you're looking for a free and easy way to generate AI videos in 2025, you'll definitely want to check out Google FX Flow. It's one of the most underrated tools out there that combines simplicity, creativity, and automation all in one place. To get started, head over to Google FX and search for Flow. Once you're on the website, click the button that says Create with Flow, then select New Project. If you're a first-time user, Flow will automatically give you 100 credits, which you can use to generate up to 5 videos every month. It might not sound like a lot, but this is more than enough to explore the platform, understand how the AI responds to prompts, and start building your first few projects without paying a cent. Now let's talk about the subscription setup, because this is where things get interesting. Flow has a smart system that gives you access to even more features once you connect your account. You don't need to pay anything upfront. When you link your account, Flow automatically upgrades you to the first tier plan, which gives you 1,000 credits right away. That's a major boost from the default plan and allows you to test longer scripts, more complex video scenes, or multiple projects at once. Once you've used all your credits, there's a simple trick to get more without spending. You can cancel your current subscription, create a new one, connect your account again, and receive another 1,000 credits. It's a smart little loop that allows you to explore the platform endlessly without paying, perfect for creators who are still testing and experimenting with AI video generation. Inside the Flow workspace, everything feels smooth and beginner-friendly. You'll see a clean dashboard where you can start typing text prompts that describe the video you want to create. For example, you could type a cinematic drone shot flying over a city at sunset, and Flow will generate a realistic video scene based on that description. It can also handle creative ideas like a cozy coffee shop scene with soft lighting or a futuristic car driving through neon streets at night. The AI does an excellent job matching visuals to your words, and within seconds, you'll have short clips ready to preview. For something completely free, the results are impressive and can easily fit into YouTube Shorts, TikTok edits, or even storytelling projects. The best part is that you don't need any advanced editing experience. Flow does all the heavy lifting for you. The platform automatically adjusts camera movement, lighting, and transitions based on your text. You can then tweak the tone, pacing, and look of each clip before generating your final output. Whether you want a cinematic vibe, a documentary style, or something animated, Flow makes it possible with just a few prompts. The rendered clips can be downloaded directly and combined using any free video editor to build longer sequences or complete videos. For creators who are just starting out or experimenting with YouTube automation, Flow offers a great balance between creativity and practicality. You can use it to create faceless content, visual backgrounds for storytelling, or even intro clips for your brand. Since the tool is browser-based, it's lightweight and doesn't require you to install any software or extensions. You can create anywhere, anytime, as long as you're connected online. And because the interface is so simple, it's perfect for people who are not tech-savvy but want professional-looking videos fast. Now let's talk about the creative potential. If you pair Flow with a bit of storytelling skill or AI script writing tools, you can easily produce engaging video content within hours. Imagine writing a short script about motivation, travel, or technology, and then letting Flow handle all the visuals for you. The tool doesn't just create random videos, it matches your descriptions with cohesive imagery, giving you the freedom to experiment with tone and emotion. For example, you can type in a motivational sunrise scene with birds flying across the ocean and soft cinematic lighting, and Flow will generate a visually stunning video that perfectly fits an inspirational voiceover. If you're working on something more story driven, you could try prompts like a mysterious, foggy forest with glowing fireflies at night, or a futuristic city skyline with cars flying between skyscrapers. These types of prompts highlight how Flow can capture both mood and movement, helping you build entire narratives visually. If your goal is to create social media content, Flow can also help you make fast-paced, attention-grabbing clips. Try typing a quick montage of people smiling while traveling through different countries for lifestyle content, or an aesthetic coffee shop scene with warm tones and slow camera movement for cozy cinematic reels. The results often look like something out of a professional stock video site, yet they're completely AI generated. You can even experiment with abstract ideas such as a visual representation of creativity as colorful waves of light moving in rhythm to create background visuals for music or podcasts. The variety of outcomes you can produce just from simple text prompts makes Flow one of the most creative free tools available right now. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, this could be your solution to finally break free from that cycle. AI voiceovers are one of the fastest growing ways to earn passive income, and they can truly change your life. And today's your lucky day because we've put together a complete step-by-step guide to help you get started. Just hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, then check out the pinned comment down below to get your free guide on making money with AI voiceovers. Overall, Google FX Flow is an underrated but powerful AI video generator for 2025. It's free, flexible, and surprisingly capable, especially for beginners and creators on a budget. The ability to generate unlimited credits through smart account management makes it even more valuable. It's one of those platforms that deserve more recognition because it provides real creative freedom without the paywall most other AI tools have. If you're serious about exploring AI video generation, building YouTube automation channels, or just testing how far AI creativity can go, start with Flow. Visit the Google FX site, click Create with Flow, and begin your first project today. You might be surprised at how much you can accomplish without spending a dime. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.